Now I'm going to push in and cut back on that peripheral opening for the eye socket, for the eyeball, to see out the side. So remember, we have peripheral vision. So the eye socket has to cut into this side plane, into S1. And then what you can do is, once you have that depth, once you have an approximate depth on the outside, then you can pull from the cheekbone straight down into the chin. So what I'm doing is adjusting the division between front and side. So we still have our temporal ridge, but now this is going to cut back for the peripheral vision, and then it's going to come back forward to the chin. So I've adjusted this angle. And as a result, I'm starting to open up the face wider. This is just one way to do it. I don't always sculpt this way when I have the model, but when I teach, I generally do. Because I want to teach not just the parts, but I want to teach a sequence of thinking. It's the sequence that's important. You want to work from big to small. You want to work from most paramount to the most intricate little detail at the end. If you try to start with the little details, it's not going to work. So it's kind of like when you build a house, you don't buy the windows first. You buy the concrete, and you buy the studs for the walls, and you make a foundation. So this is the foundation. So again, rhythmically, kind of look for this nice heart shape for the face. Get some nice depth on either side of the nasal bone, and then the brows will ride up, they're arcing up, and then at that peripheral cutback, you're going to flow towards the chin. And you can practice using two hands at the same time. That's a good skill for a sculptor to have.